bro. Fucking chips are that fucking shit. It's so fucking like they're always fucking cold for some reason. And it just tastes like arse. Like it's not even like, I swear it's not even like real fucking mashed, like not real fucking potatoes or some shit. It's fucking arse. I've got this fat cunt fucking triple cheeseburger, mate. And fucking sauce this shit out, bro. Eats what? The fuck? Bro. Fucking hell. Get out, you fat cunt. Bro, this shit looks like it's been through World War II, cunt. World War One and World War II, cunt. What the fuck? Fucking hell. I can't eat it like this. It's just depressing. Miserable. There we go, that's better. Oh, fucking hell. It's like it's fucking bleeding, mate. Anyways. Fucking stay, cunt. Anyways. It's not that bad. But the patty's so fucking dry. It's like it hasn't even been cooked. It's like undercooked. And the cheese just tastes like shit. Like, fuck plastic. Fucking get cancer eating this shit, bro. So it's not even processed food. Just shit. But I'll still eat it. Not that bad, but still fucking ass. Fuck 2-minute noodles is better than that shit. All like fucking frozen Fanta. This shit like might actually be the best part of the fucking meal. Fucking hell. But yeah. The chips are just fucking like not barely even cooked, like fucking soggy and shit. Tastes like shit, like absolute fucking ass. And the burger is fucking depressing. It fucking falls apart and shit. Looks like fucking cancer. Tastes like straight fat. I'm like, fucking ice cream, what the fuck?